What's up, everybody? Drew, aka Catching Rockets here. I hope y'all had a good day today. Hopefully, most of you got to trade live with me today. Went pretty well. Right at the open, I was saying I think we're going to sell off really quick and then pump. Exactly what happened. We actually called long here or calls here, set to close right here, that it was going to go down, that we could switch to puts. Said to grab calls here, said to close here, same thing, reverse puts. And then I said finally to close at 683.09. I think that's all that I called out, but we were literally calling tops and bottoms, up, down, left, and right. Gonna chart really quick. For those of you that were on the live, you know that I woke up at 2 o'clock in the morning. I took a nap right now. Just woke up. But I wanted to try to crank out video with you guys. The, what's it called? I am going to trade live in the morning, so this will probably be pretty irrelevant. I'm going to go live for everybody. So free link, Keenan's Discord, all that stuff. But anyway, I wanted to chart this up for people that can't be there or for people that just want the levels. Excuse me. We have a poor high, we have a poor low. I was actually kind of expecting Trump talking today to propel the market higher. For right now, we're kind of chopping sideways. Like, I don't know where the open is, but like here. And we're a little bit below that right now. But this might be the retest of those single prints that sends us higher. This is like finally the first clean break, and then 3 5-minute candles or more retest. So this might be the bounce here. Not a terrible, well, as long as they regain this is not a terrible spot for longs for futures traders. If we're below the single prints, we're not interested in taking this. I don't have my trading software open, so I'm not going to be trading this. But if we get back above, this should be long. The only real issue is, like, if you're playing it safe, it's like 5 points. But obviously could go much higher. All right. Back to SPY. Let's look at our daily. Volume pretty low. No surprise, like it's very close to Christmas. However, we do have gap up, bullish candle, buying tail, with a little bit of selling at the top, right? A lot of indecision today, just kind of chopping sideways, but the majority of the volume is up here at the top. POCs at the top. This is a capital P profile. Would really not be surprised to see them push this higher into tomorrow. But again, don't go into tomorrow with any kind of a bias, right? We'll play it by ear tomorrow. Like I said, I'm going to be live everywhere. We'll call it out as it happens, I guess. All right, let's look at our calendar. I don't think there's very much going on tomorrow. And then tomorrow's a short day for the market. And then they're closed for Christmas. Reopen at 6 p.m. Eastern on Christmas Day. Hour before the market opens, we have unemployment claims. And that's pretty much it. Bank holidays. Oh, excuse me. Oh, wait, tomorrow's Tuesday. I'm like jumping the gun. Tomorrow, an hour before the market open, GDP month over month in Canada, prelim GDP quarter over quarter in the United States, core durable goods month over month, durable goods orders month over month, prelim GDP price index quarter over quarter. So it's going to be pretty wild an hour before the open. 30 minutes after the open, we have the CB Consumer Confidence and Richmond Manufacturing Index. So we might get some volatility there. It also could just be a very slow day. Let's see. Fear and greed. I don't know why I'm like determined to go live tomorrow. It's probably going to not be worth trading, but I guess we'll do it live together if it's not. Wow. They really like took this from extreme fear all the way back up into greed, which is crazy. Pretty shocked about that. Excuse me. I'm still trying to wake up. No, tomorrow's not short. I apologize. That's going to be Wednesday. The market closes, I think, at 1 Eastern. Yeah, but I'm not even going to be trying to trade on Christmas Eve. Y'all can have that shite. Yeah. All right. Really, the main thing I'm looking for tomorrow is this, or even if they come down to previous day value area high, I would be wanting to grab calls in this range here. Oh, and I got to tell you guys suck. Just FYI. Let me show you why you suck. Only one person, and this was way after the fact, had the decency to tell me. He was like, "You mean puts, right?" And I'm like, "Fuck yeah, okay, exactly, puts. Yes, that's what I meant." Everybody else just let me look stupid live on stream. Like, yeah, just let him say calls there, even though the arrow's pointing down. My eyes are itchy. I mean, really, like, I don't want to go over every single level, but this, obviously, we would also like to see a break of this, right? These are the main setups for tomorrow, but anything's possible. Breaking back inside previous day value area high. Actually, this is an important one. We would definitely grab puts here, right? Okay. If you guys have questions, now would be the time. But like I said, we'll do this live tomorrow. It'll be a lot easier. Let me post screenshots. Oh, and I should add, Um, I'm not going to go live tomorrow. I'm not going to go live to cover levels for a half day. And then there's a chance I won't go live Thursday night, but I probably will since Friday is going to be a full trading day. Um, yeah, but I'm definitely not going to be going live tomorrow evening to go over levels. Just a heads up. I recommend you guys just don't try to trade on Wednesday. Take a day off. The half days are just not even worth trading, really. Nice, Mike. I finished my Christmas shopping ages ago. Why does my beard look so weird? It's like, I don't even know how to explain what it's doing. Or maybe I just have a, it's like splitting in the middle. Here, let's just do this. There we go. Let's just own this. Look like I've been riding my motorcycle and the wind's blown it in half. um, what's I gonna say? Yeah, you're probably better off than I am, Mike. I bought for both of my kids. I guess when I'm like hesitating because like my older kids that are out of the house, I don't buy them Christmas presents, but my younger kids that are in the house, I bought their Christmas presents. Um, the anyway, I got both of them like pretty expensive gifts, and like my son, he got like a $3,000 what's it called? $3,000 gaming PC. And he's already had it for probably like a month and a half. That might not make sense, but it was a combination between birthday present and Christmas gift. He also got like another monitor, a curved monitor. And then, yeah, but his PC is insane. It's better than mine now, fucker. Um, and he got a bunch of stuff this year. Like I bought him that, what's it called? Um, like this is the first thing that comes to mind. Um, he got this amp, um, 5150 300-watt stealth, and that's just the amp. He also got the cabinet. Where is it? I don't. That's really weird. Well, that's too much work. Let's go over here. Yeah, so he got this, and then he got the matching cabinet. Like this, but black. How come it doesn't, like, it should say recommended to buy together. Yeah, so he got this as well. No, that's not the right price. I spent like, this has to be the wrong wattage, because I spent like $5,000. Yeah, see there, that's the price. I don't know why that other one's different, but anyway, yeah, so we got this. So basically it looks like this, the other than the fact that it's not white, it's black. So the cabinet with the four 12-inch speakers, amplifier, and then he got like a crazy gaming PC. And then my daughter, probably the best way is just to show. She's always jumping. And so I just got her, bro, stop. She freaking cracks me up, just an FYI. I think that's the video I want. I mean, for the baby, I went overboard. I'm like stupid, but whatever. I got her a big old trampoline, and she likes to bounce on her hands and knees, which is hilarious. But she also does it like standing up. She'll jump and land on her butt. She does it in this video. Anyway, she's living her best life. So yeah, I got her a big old 14-foot trampoline, and then I got a cover over it so it's like shaded. But so here's the thing, and I haven't told my wife this yet. I didn't get her anything. I'm not planning on getting her anything. Not because I can't afford to, but because like neither one of us need anything. And I feel like actually I know what I should do. I should take her clothes shopping. Like I think that's the win, is to just take her and let her pick out her own stuff, versus me going and buying things that she's not going to like. But yeah, I don't, I guess the big thing is like, I want to buy a car soon here, and I don't want to, finance it. So I would rather kind of save up the money, and ultimately the car is going to be primarily for her. I haven't really given it a ton of thought, but I'm thinking I want to get like a electric car, right? Right now, and then I might even just buy a truck. I really don't fucking know. But right now we just have a Jeep, and then I have my Harley. And like, I'm fine riding my Harley everywhere, but sometimes, you know, like if I know it's raining, I don't want to go, you know, take my bike to work or whatever. And now with how busy my son's become, before it wasn't an issue, but with how busy my son's become, you're hilarious, Mike. Like at least once a week now, there's a day where my wife needs the car, sometimes twice a week when I need to go to work. My wife needs the car, like to take him to shows or music practice or whatever else. So we're really getting to a point where we need a second vehicle, or I should say a second car. We have a second vehicle. The other thing is like my neighbor, she literally lives, I don't even know, like I can walk to her house, I guess, in like 3 minutes. We work together and we've been friends for like 20 years, and crazy that we happen to move really close to each other. But we normally work the same days and we normally carpool together. But she's had, I don't know, like last year she had hip surgery. And then she had to have her other hip done just like a month ago. And so we haven't been carpooling because she's been home. Fortunately, though, she's doing great and she's feeling better. And now she's not in pain when she walks. And so everything is good. I think she's going back to work like the beginning of January. So we'll be able to start carpooling again. But yeah, I kind of lost my ride because we would always just take her car. My wife is yelling at the baby. I swear to God, it's hilarious. My wife and the baby fight sometimes where my wife gets mad at her and my daughter just screams and cries. That sounds abusive. It's not. It's cute and funny because, I don't know, they spend so much time together. They communicate with each other without actually using words. But yeah, apparently the baby's pissed right now. Yeah, I'm definitely not getting a Cybertruck. No, not ever gonna happen. If I get a truck, it's gonna be a gas-powered truck. And the only reason I said a truck is like, now with my son doing the, dirt bike stuff, I'm feeling like I either need to change the suspension on the Jeeps to make it stiffer or do like air suspension where I can lift the back end up a little bit. Because the Jeep will bottom out on like bumps. I'll try to show you guys what I'm talking about. I gotta figure out the name of what it was that I ordered. It was this. And so if I hit a bump, why does this not look anything like mine? Mine looks like this. And if I hit a big enough bump, like this part where you connect the straps to, will hit the ground. And I don't know, it's just like kind of sketchy. So a truck to just load it into the back of the truck, into the bed of the truck would be a lot nicer. And obviously trucks have stiffer suspension, and it's also, I mean, even, like this would work better on a truck because you're higher off the ground, but on like my Jeep, yeah, it's like this, like there's just not much clearance. Maybe this one's better, like there's just one arm, but mine has two. I don't see a great example, but whatever. I mean, it's this. And those stick out pretty far. I mean, which is good for like balance of the bike. But yeah, it makes the back end of the car kind of saggy. Like you can see here, it's like this is even bringing that truck down to where this is sloped downwards, right? But the dirt bike's not that heavy, but it's still enough that the Jeep is not designed to have, that much weight off the back of it. So I don't know, like the solution might be to get like air shocks that I can raise the whole back end up, or a truck. I don't know. I really don't want a truck. I don't have any other use for a truck, but it's not a terrible idea, I guess. Yeah, it's like this. But again, mine has those two things sticking out the back. I don't know. Yeah. I mean, that's probably exactly what I would do, Mike, is get a Tacoma. I'm not a fan of Fords or GMC or Chevy. I mean, GMC and Chevy is the same thing. Um, yeah, so I'd probably get a Tacoma. Um, I don't know. The Cybertrucks to me just look really stupid, like really stupid. Like I don't even remotely like them. Um, I don't know. Like I think there was like a huge like ooh when people first started seeing Cybertrucks, and I was like, that thing's fucking ugly. Um, so yeah, I'm good, and I'm not spending $100,000 or whatever it is on a truck. It's not gonna happen. Actually, let me rephrase that. I'm not spending 100 grand on a vehicle. Period. At least not today. As things change with the economy, I guess eventually one day I'll have to spend that much on a vehicle. But yeah, no, I'm good. Um, all right. Did futures bounce there? That's what I want to know. So far, yes, but barely. Um, I really want them to gap up again overnight. That would make me very happy. Um, all right. Doesn't look like there's any questions. We're just BSing. Anyway, I hope everybody has a good holidays. Again, I always feel kind of weird saying this, but like, um, I don't know. I feel like people get offended way too easily. Like, oh, like I'm Jewish and you wish me a happy Christmas. Like, who fucking cares? Like, nobody's doing it with malintent. If somebody walked up to me, I have Jewish friends. If somebody walked up to me and said happy Hanukkah, I'd be like, oh, happy Hanukkah. And I wouldn't even bat an eye and be like, oh, why didn't you wish me a Merry Christmas? That's what I celebrate. Um, so I guess my point is like, um, I don't really care what you celebrate. Just have a good time. Have a good time with your friends. Have a good time with your family. Enjoy time off from work, trading, whatever it is that you're doing, and just have a good time. And choose not to be offended if you believe in something else or don't believe in anything at all, and somebody wishes you a Merry Christmas. Um, I know, it's probably the norm, right? Like everybody says Happy Christmas because I guess there's more, Christians than Jewish people or whatever else. And nobody's doing it maliciously. So just, understand that they're saying it out of kindness, and I'm saying this out of kindness. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Holidays. Have a good time. Enjoy time with your friends, family, whatever else it is. And, we'll see you. I mean, I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll go live in the morning. And then I'll probably be live Thursday night um, to see what we find for Friday. And then I don't even know what the schedule will be like for New Year's Eve and all that as far as the market's concerned. But I'm sure there's going to be short days or closed days or whatever. I'm sure. I don't even know what day New Year's Eve or New Year's falls on. But I'm sure the market's closed that day. Um, Enjoy the day off. Like, really enjoy the day off. All right. Um, I think I covered this earlier, but I'm going to show it really quickly. The one trade today, I was a little bit upset with myself. I closed early. P&L almost 72% for the last 2 months. This month has been rough, where I'm only up like 4% on the month of December. I haven't traded much. Took a big loss, or two losses that came out to be a big loss on Tuesday. Took two more losses, so it was like four losses in a row, and then I got a big win that put me up 5.5% the next day. And then all the other trades, I mean, like besides this day, they've been like pretty blah, like smaller. Today was smaller, one trade, one win. Pretty crappy month, especially if you look at like November. I barely traded and I'm up 66 or 62%. But yeah, we'll do it a lot. We'll do it again tomorrow. Anyway, as always, much love, much respect, everybody. We'll see you in the morning. Y'all have a good one. Take care. Peace out.